All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to have kiwi. It's going to be cut in half. Each lab group is going to have half a kiwi. So for 4 students, we have half a kiwi. We're going to cut everything off. Just have the inside green part, which you will then put in the Ziploc bag. You're going to add 20 mils of what's called shampoo salt solution. I'll have that at the front of the classroom. And then you're going to get all the air out of the bag, okay? Because otherwise it's going to splat everywhere and go all everywhere. And then you're going to mush it. You're going to mush it really well, and then you're going to rub it between 2 hands. I don't have 2 hands, so there you go. You're going to rub it really fast between 2 hands for 3 minutes the very first time. Then you're going to put it on ice for 1 minute. Then you're going to take it out and make sure it's underneath all that ice really well, okay? Then you're going to take it out and you're going to rub it for 1 minute, 1 minute this time. Then on ice for 1 minute. Then rub for 1 minute. Ice 1 minute. A total of 4 cycles. 3 minutes rubbing, 1 minute ice, 1 minute rubbing, 1 minute ice, 1 minute rubbing, 1 minute ice, 1 minute rubbing, 1 minute ice. Once you're done with that, you're actually going to take and pour this out into a coffee filter, which you'll have in a funnel with a beaker on the bottom. Sorry, I don't have those out. Then everything's going to drip out of that coffee filter, and you're going to get 3 mils of the shampoo kiwi salt solution in the beaker, and you're going to put in your test tube. You're going to put the test tube in a test tube rack. You're going to let it sit. Oh, you're going to bring it up to me. You're going to get 2 mils of ethanol, which we'll pour on there, and then you're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you'll take a glass rod, twirl the glass rod. You'll take some of the DNA out because there'll be these bubbles between the 2 layers. And you'll go ahead and roll it like this. Just roll it back and forth onto your slide. You'll put a drop of dye, which I will have at the front of the class. And then again, you'll do a wet mount slide like today, where we angle it and gently drop it. And then you'll look at it under the microscope. You need to take 2 pictures. One when the DNA is in the test tube separating out, and one of the slide underneath the microscope with total magnification.